Today I will show you how we can apply for experience certificate from PMDC. So first of all, visit the PMDC website, and here is the link of Doctor Online Portal. So you have to click on that. And if you already have an account on PMDC, you can directly log in here by putting your email address and password. If you don't have, you have to select change email and you will create an account, and after that you can directly log in and apply. So here is the detail of all the applications, and here is the accreditation of experience. So this is the portal you have to apply. Here is some information which you are going to read. So first thing is certificate type, and we are going to select house job certificate here. And next thing is PMDC registration number, so put yours. And then name, your father name, your gender, NIC, date of issuance of NIC, your date of birth, and your mobile number. Make sure your mobile number is the correct one, because PMDC will call you on that number and will ask you about the country for which you need that certificate. And next is email, nationality Pakistan, and then mailing address. Make sure your mailing address is the correct one, because your certificate will be couriered to this address. And next is the country for which certificate is required. So if you are applying for GMC, you have to select UK, and if you are going for IMC, then you will select Ireland. And the next is your previous experience certificate reference number. Like if you have got any previous experience certificate from PMDC, you will write down yes here. And next one is the total number of house job accreditation required. Like it's mean the number of rotations you have done during your house job. Like mostly student or doctors done 3 month rotations of 4, so you will write down 4 here. And next one is the total number of house job accreditation purpose. It's mean the number of country for which you need this certificate. Like I'm just applying for Ireland only, I will select only one. And the last thing is the attachment. So first of all, upload your profile picture here, which is the passport size. And next option is the previous certificate, if you have got any previous certificate from PMDC. And after putting all the details of that and attaching the certificates, you will click on proceed to payment. And once again, all your information will be shown here. If you have any mistake, you can edit. And after that, you have to click on add house job accreditation. So here we have to put the rotation line details of our house job. Like first of all, institute country like Pakistan, your hospital name, your hospital email, and your first rotation like general medicine, and then the starting date of this rotation, and then the ending date of this general medicine rotation. And after that is the option of upload your house job certificate. So one thing to remember here is that PMDC in this PMDC portal will show error when we attach the file. Even we put it in PDF or image or any other format, it didn't shown here. So don't be confused about that. And like that first rotation, we have to put all the rotations detail line wise. And after that, the bottom of the application, there is the button of save. So click save, and after that an option will become for payment, and there will be 2 options like debit, credit, or channel form. So you have to select according to your easiness. And this is all about the experience certificate from PMDC.